Looking good. All right.
Well, I had to put that on this right here. Just did it, so I would just wipe it down.
Yeah, just wipe it down. Maybe liquid gold on it. Okay.
And so I had been the safe yet.
How bad was it?
Safe.
How bad was the apartment?
Not bad.
It's a little small. I wish we would have had counters like that when we moved out here.
They probably just stopped with me there.
Floor look good. This looks like a newly renovated. Did you vacuum already? Okay, you know you gotta leave the vacuum lines. 1 bedroom. Everything is new. Good. Just need to get some vacuum lines in here. It smells good. The tracks is clean. Damn, it looks so different out here. Don't look the way it used to look when I lived out here. All right, you can work on Saturday and Sunday. All right, that's all I need to know. All right. See, we used to live right over there. That's my old apartment before I moved to Pooler, Georgia. Now we have a contract with these apartment complexes. Yep. I said before I leave, I said I'm gonna get a contract out here. And look at me, look at me. Just a few years later, I got a contract out here. Now I am headed back to my office. I actually spent the night in my office last night, y'all. Yes, I spent the night in my office for the first night. And I feel a little sluggish right now because I probably got 4 hours of sleep because I've been up all night working and studying my craft. So I probably got about 4 hours of sleep. So it's 2:33 p.m. now and I'm feeling a little sluggish. Like, ugh, need rest. It's so important to get proper rest. I don't advise nobody to be running off of air like me. Get your rest. But I mean, I'm determined. I gotta get to where I need to be at. So I gotta do what I gotta do. I had a lot of stuff to do last night. I'm happy I got it done. And now that I have inspected all my units for the day, I'm headed back to the office.
Levels.
God, I'm tired as hell. So I'm back in the office. I finally got everything set up in my office. I went through all my paperwork last night and it was a lot of paperwork. So that part is out the way. And I'm finished with setting up everything. I had a lot of stuff going on at one time. It's like all of my Airbnbs came back at one time. And it's been crazy because I got new contracts on top of all my old contracts, on top of just shit on top of shit. So I'm now actually hiring. I have 5 positions open, immediate positions open. So yeah, we cranking up. So not only do I have Tenacity Clean, I also have, as you see in the back, Tenacity Academy, where I do mentorship for anyone that's interested in having a mentor and mentor them through their cleaning, growing a cleaning company and all their experiences. Just hit me up, www.tenacityacademy.com. There is one thing I wanted to say. I have been getting a lot of calls I do consultations, 15-minute consultations. Sometimes those consultations turn out to be 30-minute consultations and 45-minute consultations. I try to keep it at 15, okay? Not only that, but you get one free consultation. Now, some of you guys are calling like every week. Now, see, I have 3 plans on my Tenacity Academy. It's called Success Plans. One is $50 a week, the other one is $100 a week, and the last one is $1,000 for the whole year. Those are just prices I decided to start off with, see how it works, if it works okay, if it's not, and if I start getting busy, of course those prices will go up, which is looking like they're going to have to go up eventually. I have a lot of people interested in doing the yearly plan, but it's only one free consultation. I don't know how else to say this, because some of you guys will call every week. Like, you might as well go ahead and book the first plan that I got, the $50, because like you gotta at the end of the day respect my time. It takes time. You have to take time out of your day to sit down with someone and do a consultation. Okay, I don't mind answering your questions in Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that, but you gotta know I run 2 companies and I run a household, so I'm not gonna be able to get to everybody, especially not the ones that are paying anything. So I do have mentees, and they come first because they're on a payment plan, and this is what they pay for. They don't pay for no stalling. If they have a situation, we set up their consultation every Friday, every Thursday, or whatever. We talk out those problems. We talk those out. But this, I mean, I had somebody just hit me up like out the blue and wanted to talk for hours on the phone, more than one time, and I can't do that. Okay, I love you guys to death, and I want to help the world, but I can't afford to be on the phone talking for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. Okay, I can't do that, and answering a million questions, you know. I also know it's people that just like to pick you, so they call you and they ask all these little nitpick questions or whatever, and they really ain't trying to shop with you. They just want to nitpick. I understand that. I'm a businesswoman, and I understand that. It's the same way in the cleaning business, the same game, because you have other cleaning companies call you. They just want to know your prices. They want to know how your organization works and stuff like that. I get it. I know the game. Okay, but just know I'm very busy. Okay, and I have a lot of patience. Yes, I do, but I don't have that much damn patience. Okay. But for real, like, respect my time, please. If you want to book a free consultation, book one free consultation. You can go on my website. I took a long time setting up that website. I try to be as detailed as possible to explain to you what I do, the services I provide, and look at any one of the plans. If you can afford one of them, then let's work. If not, continue looking at these videos, because I give away a lot of free value in these videos until you get your budget up. Okay, so with that being said, I just wanted to throw that out there. I'm in my office now, and I'm about to get back to work. Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video because I know I wasn't as active on my Instagram page and my YouTube page like I usually am. And if I'm not active, just know I'm busy. Okay, but you guys take care. Remember, www.tenacityacademy.com. I still have the foreclosure cleaning course for $50 right now, but the price will go up. This is the last week. I said this is the last week that I'm going to keep it at $50. I've had a few of my mentees have some success off of that $50 course, and we're going to get them on the podcast that I'm doing to talk about their experiences and in the foreclosure cleaning, so that you guys can know that, yeah, this is real. it's real. I got some really, I'm dropping some jewels in that course for you, and it's only $50. So please don't miss out on that. All right. So yeah, that's all I got to say. www.tenacityacademy.com. Hit me up.